Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's recipe we're making some delicious callaloo. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. I think it's the best callaloo I've ever made, and we're going to be making this using the Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can use a regular pot with a cover. So I'm using dasheen leaves, also known as taro leaves. You'll need one bundle of that, and I like using the leaves and the stem. So I'm going to be cleaning my dasheen, and you also want to peel back on the stem, clean the stems, and then we'll cut up everything and set that aside. If you can't find dasheen, you can use baby spinach. 2 regular packs would be perfect for this recipe. So we're starting in our Instant Pot on the saute mode, and we're going to go in with some avocado oil. Now I've switched to avocado oil, but you can use any oil you have on hand. We're going to go in with some chopped onions, chopped scallions, also known as thyme, plenty pimento peppers, celery, which is optional, minced garlic, a few sprigs of thyme, and season with salt to help bring out the flavor in the aromatics. I like to saute my aromatics, but if you wanted to skip this step and just boil everything, of course you can do that. I find the flavor is much more pronounced when you do it this way. Now we're going to go in with our bell pepper, sliced ochros, pumpkin, and the dasheen or spinach leaves. I'm going to go in with coconut milk and also a packet of coconut milk powder, which is going to add extra creaminess to this. No additional water is needed, guys. You don't want a very runny callaloo. You want a nice, rich, thick callaloo. In goes a packet of Maggi flavored pot crab. This you can find it in the Caribbean Flavors Caribbean crate, which you'll find the link in my description. You get 6 packs of that crab in the crate. So I'm just giving that a quick mix, and I forgot to add in my carrots, so I'm adding it in now. Next, you want to cover, and you're going to switch from the saute mode to the pressure cook mode. And you can pressure cook this between 12 to 15 minutes. When it's finished, you want to make sure and release the steam before you open the cover. Once it's finished, you go ahead and open it, and then you can take your dal gutney or your swizzle stick or your immersion blender and either pulse or use your swizzle stick with a lot of elbow grease to help you puree this. And once you get it to the consistency you like, you add a piece of golden ray butter or golden ray margarine and mix that in. Now at this time you can add crab, your seasoned crab, and let it cook out for 10 minutes, and then it will be ready to be served. I hope you guys try this recipe. It was the best callaloo I've ever made. It tasted so amazing. If you try it, comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.